Yo, so my Raptors take on the Pelicans today. Should be a solid one. Hopefully we can put up a good fight. Pelicans have been playing a lot better lately. I've been liking what I've seen. You don't know how I've been felt about the Pelicans at the beginning of the season. I think that they're really good, championship contender type, but it's just they've lost so many like weird games. Like they lost a lot of like just games they should have won, but they're finally healthy. Seems to be clicking again. They gotta keep it going. They gotta really just keep this going. So let's see if they can. Alright. Yeah. Okay.
Nike was there the next day with 3 different pairs of shoes.
Out to Herb Jones. Hold it. Okay. Okay. Johnson. Herb Jones pretty solid, man. Been playing a lot better. Like, damn, Murphy, a deep one. A young cat. A young cat. Okay. Out to this dude. I don't even know what that is, but I'll take it.
This is where you can make an impression on
Zion versus RJ. Zion versus RJ. Okay.
Murphy's pass stolen by Grady Dick.
Come on, y'all. Stay in the game, bro. Oh, Brady. Hey, Brady? Hey, Brady?
Over to Marshall.
Marshall?
Driving
Murphy just calling him. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
Shooting close to 71% as Sherman Hamilton mentioned. And you have
oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, that was disgusting. That was disgusting. Holy shit.
You have older players in CJ McCollum, so they have a great mixture to be successful.
Jose Alvarado. Jose Alvarado. We're already down 20, bro. This is crazy.
Look at that spin move. When you talk about his injury and him being able to play through those things, when you're that athletic and big, you need
Scotty Barnes, by the way, likely after the season. Crazy, man. I mean, I knew he would be. There's no point in him coming back, but this makes it so boring to watch, bro. I saw we signed Kelly Olynyk to an extension. Why? Why?
throw a football. He wasn't the quarterback, but he
Murphy?
could throw it 70 yards.
We just love Canadians, right? You Canadian?
Alvarado's one of those guys that's going
Quickly.
as you see quickly.
I got that thing.
In the paint, Alvarado.
And one.
Good closeout. He'll swing it. Ingram, Raptors very active D.
Okay.
When you talk about the best, or talk to the best free throw shooters, they always had that routine, and they stuck to that.
Murphy.
Good. Murphy, 16 points, their top scorer. Quickly to RJ. RJ
Barrett, the right hand.
Soft hand, the rebound. He'll bring it into the front court. Inside.
What the hell, bro? Crazy, bro.
Wanted a call, doesn't get it. Zion, McCollum. Jones corner three, and that's gonna hurt. Olynyk.
I'm about to turn this shit off, bro. I'm about to turn this shit off, bro. I really am.
First half. People just do not realize how good.
I'm gone, bro. It's a 30-point game. It's just ridiculous. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing, bro. I'm done.